What's up, guys? Welcome to the Product Village. My name is Nathan Flow Rocker. If you've been on my channel long enough, you realize that there is something missing right now. Can you guess what it is? Yep, it's actually the background. The background is way too plain. I usually like putting some shapes at the back. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch it up, all right? Now let's do that right now. There you have it. See what we're talking about? Now, usually if you've been on my channel long enough, you know that that's not the shape I usually use. I usually have this rounded shape that I usually, place at the back. But today I decided to just switch it up to something different. Now, the light I usually use is a snoot with a 200-watt light to cast on there. But today we're using something different. Would you believe if I told you that the light I'm actually using at the back is a 20-watt light? Yep, not 200, 20-watt light. And guess what that light is? It's the SmallRig RF 20C Portable Focusable light. I mean, this light right here, maybe 20 watts, but what you're looking at is the power of this light right here. SmallRig sent this to me to review, and as you guys always know, I'll give you my honest opinion. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unbox, and let me show you what's in the box, then show me what this light can actually do. Alrighty, so what we have in the box of the RF 20C Focusable light is everything you're actually looking at right here. Quite a number of accessories well put together right here. Okay, so let's go through each one by one. Now we have 20 gobos here. Those are like shapes and designs that you can use. Then you have the gobo holder. You have the video light itself right in the middle. You have a pouch. You have a USB-C to USB-A cable, and you have a manual. The RF 20C has a beam angle of 24 to 60 degrees. It outputs 20 watts with 5 different LEDs, namely red, white, which outputs 5600 Kelvin, purple, orange, and cyan. With a push and pull plano-convex lens for achieving a variable beam, the RF 20C is the perfect light. It's ultra-portable with an all-metal build finish. It weighs 520 grams with a 49mm diameter, making it very easy to carry along wherever you go. With a 1.5-hour runtime with PD fast charging, the RF 20C charges in 1 hour 40 minutes. It has a dual 5000 milliamp battery. The RF 20C provides up to 1.5 hours at full power. So if you're not using it at full power, you typically get roughly about 3.5 hours. You can also charge and use simultaneously. With 20 gobo patterns for creative use, the RF 20C is great for product reviews, portraits, photography, music videos, and content creation. It delivers 5,400 lux at 1 meter. The RF 20C can also be used as a flashlight. The RF 20C is a pretty strong build. It's made up of aluminum alloy, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. On the body, you have quite a number of features. You have this vent here. I think you have 6. You have 3 on this side, and then you have 3 on the other side. That's where the fan blows from. And then it has a pair of threading holes. You have a pair here, you have another one here, and then you have one right underneath, right here for mounting. And then in terms of charging, you have a USB-C slot here. It adapts to fast charging, so you can actually charge it quickly in 1 hour 40 minutes or thereabout. Right here, you have this, sort of what do you call those things? It's sort of like a magnifying glass, but that's where the light actually comes from. It's actually detachable. If you had a snoot, SmallRig has a snoot that you can actually use, but I don't have that one right here. So you can actually open it up and you can have access to the LEDs. So if you want a wider field of view, you can actually use this. Now it has 20 gobos here, right? And I have a lot of them here. And you have the gobo holder. So basically how that works is you grab one of the gobos, right? And then you place it into the gobo holder this way. And that's it. You can flatten it or you can open it up, and then you can attach it directly to the RF 20C. That's it. And then with that, you can put it on right now. So to put it on, you just click on this button here, sort of like a jog dial. Now, once it turns green, it means it's on. You just have to turn it a few more times and then it comes on, right? Now, if you want to use it to the max, what you do is you keep scrolling until it starts blinking. That means this is the highest. Same thing if you want it very low. Once you start blinking, you've gotten to lowest. So let's go back to the highest again. Now it has 5 colors, right? So this is orange, this is blue, this is red, this is white. And that white, by the way, is 5,600 Kelvin. We have purple, orange, cyan, and that's it. I mean, it's pretty strong. Wow. For a 20-watt light, I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this strong, but it's pretty strong. And that's about it. Now, I was interviewing an artist recently, and I mean, the RF 20C just came in handy. And so I had the artist, he was a rap artist, and I was speaking with him. And what I did was position the RF 20C sort of like by his side, because I wanted it behind him. And then I got another light using 2,500 Kelvin to sort of like just give him this warm feel. So I was scrolling through the lights. I was asking him which one he preferred, and he said, nah, he preferred the blue. So we stopped on the blue, and then I filmed with it, and I really loved how it looked. I mean, usually I would use a 200-watt light, but using a 20-watt light and the shots came out that beautiful, I was very impressed. In fact, it also doubles as a flashlight. You can actually use this as a flashlight. Likewise. Now, there's one thing I also noticed here, which I think may be a drawback. Now, I noticed that when I put it on, the fan is loud. Now, not so loud that it would be competing with my voice. I mean, right now it's actually on, and I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me bring it close to my mic. With my ears, I can actually hear the noise. It's not as loud as my air conditioning, but it's pretty loud. So, I mean, it would be nice if SmallRig could make a version where, the fan isn't that loud. Like when I was having the interview, it didn't really disturb me because the guy I was interviewing was speaking loud enough. But it would be nice if the fan could come down just a little bit. And I think that's the only drawback I have. I love the fact that you can actually extend. You can power it up and extend. And when you extend it, the light goes further. If you bring it back, it sort of like decreases the, I wouldn't say the intensity, but the width of the light. Now, it's also possible for you to remove this if you want a very wide field, right? It's a fantastic light, to be honest. I have this Lipman 200-watt light right here, and I have a Snoot. Now, that's a 200-watt. That's what I usually use. That's what you guys always... In fact, that's what you're seeing right now at the back. It's a 200-watt light. But this is 20 watts, right? And it can last for about an hour and a half if I'm using it at full power. Now, I would love to use it at full power because I really want it to show. So when I'm having a review, my review basically takes under an hour, right? So meaning I can use it. So going forward, I think I'm going to be using this, at least for a bit, just to have a different feel from what I'm used to. And the fact that it's 20 watts and I can actually charge it whilst I'm using it, I think that's a fantastic feature. I really love the light. I think we should swap back to this light, right? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I think I prefer this. Yeah, this is way better, right? I mean, the other red one is nice, but it's nice to have, it almost looks like a window. Now, that's not a window design. It's just one of those gobos. Very nice. And then in terms of pricing, it actually goes for $67 as at today. on SmallRig website. If you would love to lay your hands on this, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. You get a discount and it also helps out, with the channel. So if you guys are looking for a good light that I can use for photography, cinematography, any graphy, really, I think the SmallRig RF 20C will do a fantastic job. Shout out to SmallRig for sending me this like they always do. You guys make fantastic products, honestly speaking. I don't regret ever working with SmallRig or using their gears. I have quite a number of their gears from camera grips to lights to tripods. These guys have fantastic instruments. All right, guys. Until the next review, I'm going to see you guys. All right? Ciao.